Hello everybody, this will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update on March the 22nd. Right now we did get a local rejection off of this golden pocket at around 42,938. We did get a little rejection. I am in that short still right now. I'm expecting it to come down and bounce off of this golden pocket down here at around 42,369 level. If not, there's a lot of support below us, micro support levels. We do have a golden pocket coming at around 41,850. Down below that, we do have confluence with a value area high from this range back here and a golden pocket at around 41,600. If we do lose that though, I expect us to come down to at least 41,108. This is good confluence with a 786, along with a point of control from this whole range we were trading in for a few days. Anyways, we do have a local swing failure pattern happening that could play out for a nice short. A wick at around 43,453 from this wick right here. If we do break above that, I expect us to go much higher. Just going to go to the 3-hour time frame right now. Right here, we are getting confluence with a trend line in a daily level. This is not as strong as a resistance, but it could work out if we get 24-minute divergences playing up into that level. And that level is 44,700 roughly. If we do break above that, I expect us to come up to 46,200. And here I'd like to see higher divergences forming. Specifically on the 2-hour and down, it would play for a nice short, and that could actually work out for probably a good swing trade. Just coming down to around this level right here, 37,000. Keep in mind too is that we do have this local trend line at around 35,500. It could possibly come down to that low, grab the liquidity here, as we do have swing failure pattern wicks on the way down, along with a naked daily point of control at around 35,600 roughly. And so that is pretty much it for Bitcoin. Just going to interpreting the market cipher and see what's going on. Right now we do have a green dot playing out along with that money flow coming up. I think there's really strong momentum on the daily time frame, and this could lead us to a good pump at those resistance levels that I mentioned before. Today, we do have the money flow just kind of resetting and coming back up. However, the RSIs are split apart, meaning I don't think there's going to be too much. We aren't going to see 50K anytime soon, but we could see higher levels. 3-day, however, we do have the RSIs kind of splitting apart, almost showing oversold. So again, I don't think we're going to see 50K anytime soon. On the weekly, however, we did get that money flow reset, so this could be a pretty good momentum play. The 2-week, I'm still waiting for that green dot to play out. I think we're going to see a major pump once it does, as this will lead to a major domino effect on the monthly time frame. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Ethereum, again, we do have local golden pockets below us. One at 2,950, another one at around 2,916, along with a confluence of a value area high from this whole range here, along with a 786. And so that's a high probability we could bounce off of that level if we see divergences forming on the 12-minute and down. Also, if we do lose that level, we do have a 786 from this whole range here, along with a 382 from a golden pocket from much lower that we could bounce off of. Also, just a major support level is that we do have this trend line that we did bounce off as it was acting as resistance in the past. And this could play out at around 2,800. This could make for a very nice long if Bitcoin decides to dump also. Going to the 4-hour time frame, actually, I'll go back to the 12-minute. We do have a local wick up here along with a daily level, along with a naked weekly point of control This could make for a nice short if Bitcoin decides to reject off of the wick it formed at around this level 2. Come in much higher if we do break above that wick. I expect us to go much higher. To see 3,400 ETH, good probability. Just coming up here, it'd be around here, as we do have a naked daily point of control and a bunch of high volume nodes along with a point of controls all up here acting as resistance. And so 3,400 ETH is possible this week, along with if we do break above that. I don't think it's possible, really. I don't really think it's probable, but we could see 3,800 ETH, and here I'd like to see 2-hour divs and down forming. However, with the looks of the daily time frame, the RSI is kind of split apart, so there might not be as much legs to the Ethereum move, but you may never know. If Bitcoin decides to pump really hard, Ethereum could end up in the 3,800 level. Yeah, as we go to the 3-day, we do have the money flow coming up. The RSIs look to be a little bit oversold. 2-day tends to be looking overbought. Money flow is coming up though. That's a good sign. Daily level, the money flow is coming up pretty hard, so that could lead to a pretty good pump. Weekly, we did get a green dot that printed last week. This could provide good legs to Ethereum. Along with that 2-week, like Bitcoin, it could lead to a pretty good pump. I expect this to play out probably sometime next week, and this could lead to a much, much higher level. Along with that monthly level, it could lead to a kind of a catalyst to that. And so that is pretty much it for the analysis today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord in the description where I post all my trades along with other crypto-related ideas. Thanks. Bye.